Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a list on Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello. If you're not logged in, as an example, if it's your first time to Trello, you'll find yourself on such a page, which is the home page. Click on login at the top right corner to log in into an account. It's Trello for free to create an account if you don't have an account. Be able to use a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account if you have one of those, so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here in your workspace. If you don't have any, you can just go and create a new workspace. And of course, you'll be able to go and create some boards, and it's totally up to you to do so. So for me as an example, I'm just going to access a board here. I'm going to create a list. I'm going to name it Hi. Now we want, as we said, to delete this list. So how to do so? All we need to do, just click on the three dots here, list of actions. You scroll down, you'll find archive this list. Of course, archive it doesn't mean it deleted, right? But as you can see, it will delete it from here, from your board. Plus, we want to delete it permanently. How to do it? Click on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down until you find, or just go down until you find like this archived items. And here you'll find normally the things that's archived. As you can see, I have nothing archived here. So you'll have to click on switch to list. Once you click on switch to list, as you can see, you'll find the list that I just archived. I can go and add another one, as example, hello, to see that will be added here. See, hello, add list. And now I click here, this list. And as you can see, it will be added here. So I'll be able to restore it or delete it forever. I'm just going to click on delete. And here you are. That's how you delete a list. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.